Decided to use YouTube for storing and organizing your videos. This tutorial is going to walk you through the steps of creating playlists and within YouTube and moving videos into those playlists. So I am currently in my YouTube channel right now, and I can see all of the videos that have been uploaded. Over here underneath my profile picture, I have dashboard, content, and then playlists. If I go ahead and click on playlists, I can see the three that I've already created for my YouTube channel. If you've never created any, this would obviously be blank, but you can see right over here next to the search bar is the new playlist button. If I wanted to add a new playlist, this is where I would put my title. This would probably be the content area or the name of the class, and then you would pick if you want it public, unlisted, or private. Public means obviously anybody can search for it. Unlisted means that it's a little bit more on lockdown and whoever you share the information with. And then private obviously means it's only a select group of people. So I have chosen to make mine public. A lot of teachers would maybe choose unlisted like they do on their YouTube videos, and then they would click create. Once they click create, it would show up on this list. I'm not going to create a new one since this is my actual YouTube channel. So I'm going to close out of playlists, and now I'm going to show you how you can move a video into your playlist. When you're actually uploading a video, one of the settings that you can do on, I believe it is the very first page, is you can assign a playlist right away when you're deciding if your video, when you title your video and you decide that it's appropriate for kids. You can click your playlist right there, and then it will automatically sort it and add it to that folder for you. But let's say you forgot, or you have a bunch of videos up and you haven't assigned them to playlists. I'm going to go ahead and click on this tutorial. And underneath the preview over here, if I slide down, it will tell me my visibility is public and my playlist is unselected. So when I click there, I can go in and pick that I want to put that in video tutorials. Click done. I always want to save. And now that video is in my video tutorials playlist. So you can think of playlists as folders. So I have that video that I have then moved into my folder. I'm going to go back to my channel content, and I believe I have another video I need to do that for. So this one is also, I can see the visibility is public. It doesn't have a playlist, so I just click there, done, save, and that is going to be moved into my video tutorials playlist. So as a teacher, you could have a playlist for your different hours or classes of the day, and this is just another way of organizing your videos once you have them uploaded to YouTube.